Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Halloween Happy, where Halloween is more than just once a year. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys this box that I received from Spirit Halloween. Thank you so much for checking out today's new video. I've recently got my hair colored super bright orange. I've had like Halloween hair before, but I feel like this is probably the brightest, I think. Real quick, I want to say I'm going to have some other videos come out after this, so my hair will be a different color just because I pre-recorded those. Enough rambling, guys. So currently, as you're watching this video, it is June 15th. You'll probably see this on the 16th. I got something in the mail. I could not hold my excitement for much longer. I received this box from Spirit Halloween, and I thought that it would be fun for us to open this together, so that's what we're gonna do. If you happen to be new to my channel, my little spot on the internet, Halloween Happy, where we celebrate Halloween every single day, bring Halloween into our everyday life. If you guys love Halloween or want to get to know the Halloween Happy friends, be sure to hit that subscribe button. What do you guys think about this setup? Let me know in the comments below. So after this video, because I wanted to get it up ASAP, you guys will see a updated room tour of my Halloween office. I thought I would try to film over here. Let me know what you guys think. I'm still in the process of like moving decor, trying to see what I want to do over here in this corner. Thought I would try it out, otherwise I would never know. If you guys want more Halloween Happy, you can definitely check me out on all of my social media. Everything's listed down below, so all you have to do is click it. It's gloomy outside here in Salem. It was raining on and off yesterday and the day before a little bit. I can just see the sun trying to slowly come out and I do not want to see it. Isn't it so crazy to think about? Like, Halloween fall is already popping up into stores. I know that I've seen like Hobby Lobby, if you shop there, carried fall stuff since May. I know Joann's is starting to get like their spooky fabric, and I think that Michael's honestly is getting some spooky craft supplies. I'm in a group and I saw someone post some like a Halloween paper pad. It's kind of like goth spooky, not like 100% Halloween, but it's just so crazy to think about, and I'm so shocked to get this box from Spirit Halloween. If you guys are new here, maybe you don't remember, last year I had the great pleasure of going to the flagship store. They invited me last year to check it out on opening day in New Jersey. I think the stories are still on my Instagram. It was so fun. I loved it so much. Yeah, I'll post like some pictures here. So grateful for the opportunity, and so getting this box from them was so cool. Spirit, if you're watching this, thank you so much for sending this box my way. Before I started rambling, I'm really excited because just think, like, Spirit Halloween will be opening up so soon. I feel like the flagship store opened up in August. Was it August? I think it was August. I cannot wait to visit all of the different Spirit Halloween locations around here, go to different towns looking at it, because they're never all the same. There's always different items that you can find at one location versus the other. Really excited to start Halloweening every week. I don't know what my Halloween budget looks like this year, but I'm definitely still going to go look at all the Halloween stuff. Do you guys have a Halloween budget this year? Let me know. Let's see what spooky things lie inside. Says, can you feel it in your bones? Oh, yes, Spirit. Yes, I can. Spirit Halloween's Unhuman Resources team has a unique treat for our favorite Halloween enthusiast. Enjoy at your own risk. Oh my god, I love that. Unhuman Resources. So let's dig in. We have a card here that is labeled Samantha. See what that says. I see some candy. Oh, your soul is required. Sincerely, your pal Jack. When? In a month. Where? At a website. Looks like they're gonna do some kind of event online. I will keep you guys posted. That's gonna be happening next month. It might be like a sale. It might be a little preview of what's to come with their merchandise. Trust me, I'll keep you posted, so be sure you guys follow me on all my social media. Let's see what else we have. Here we have some full moon treats, werewolf treats, bloody bones, and some good old candy. Let me know in the comments what your favorite Halloween candy is. What kind of Halloween candy do you pass out for the trick-or-treaters? Guys, there's gonna be trick-or-treating this year. How exciting is that? We have so much to celebrate, so much to, so much Halloweenness to catch up on with last year, you know. Next up, we have more candy. This looks like these are gummy brains from Unhuman Resources. We have an Unhuman Access VIP lanyard. Oh, nice. You can use, it's actually a discount off of an online purchase. They always do such a good job about having coupons, so definitely sign up for their email. I always say sign up for those Spirit coupons. Here we have popcorn, microwave popcorn in these popcorn buckets, which I love so much, that are Spirit Halloween themed. A Jack the Reaper on there. Also, how cool is this? I love that so much. I wonder if they'll actually sell the individual popcorns. I feel like they could and people would buy them. Perfect for a scary movie marathon. 2 of the popcorn buckets with 2 popcorns. If you have not had jalapenos on your popcorn, you are missing out. It is so delicious, so good. These will make great like photo props too. I can't tell you how cool it is for Spirit to even send this to me. When I started my Halloween parties, Spirit Halloween was the place that I would buy haunt props, my Halloween props. Like really get it spooky for my Halloween parties, and I would just go to Spirit all the time just to look. I would always go on my lunch breaks. Looks like we have some stickers that have Jack the Reaper on there. Those are fun. Some limited edition enamel pins. Let's see what the pins look like up close. You can see the first pin is a candy bucket, like a little trick-or-treat pail. It says free candy and it has some blood oozing. And then our next pin is Jack the Reaper, which is Spirit Halloween's mascot. Carnival hammer, which makes me think of all of the clown props that they have each year. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this Spirit Halloween unboxing. Let me know what you guys think. Is this getting you excited for Halloween? I hope it is. Let me know what kind of tricks and treats that you're planning for this spooky season. We have so much to make up for. I just can't wait to celebrate Halloween. I know that we celebrate it every day, but it's just something in the air when it's fall. Even at the end of summer, I feel that Halloween magic still, you know? Thank you so much for checking out today's video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out if you are new to my channel. And don't forget to turn on notifications. That way you are notified whenever there is a new video. If you guys want more Halloween Happy, be sure to follow me on Instagram. It's at Halloween Happy. I also have a Facebook page and I'm on TikTok, all sorts. So all of the links are listed in the description below. And I love you guys so much. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween Happy kind of day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Let's go ahead and unbox this video. Or I wish we could keep those lights to be blurry like that. How do we do that? Like, I want to keep these lights blurry. On YouTube, I'm trying to find videos for the longest time, but I know you have to be super close to the camera. That I know. It's like, well, how close is too close? Maybe next time. Oh, that coffee tastes so good today.